This is Ethan Hoffman with eXp Realty. Welcome to Babcock Ranch's newest townhomes built by ParkSquare in their community called TownWalk. Today I'm going to be checking out the Lincoln floor plan. It is 1,704 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a loft, and a 2-car garage. They range in the mid to high 300,000s. Please like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch, where I post tours of the model homes, builder incentives, and resale homes, and other information about the community. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.